How you doing, team? I wanted to give you this updated announcement. Some neat things you can do to earn more through your portfolio of agencies, the people you've personally enrolled. So let me go through this real quick. Number one, this is a reminder of how you're paid today. When you help get a business funding, using them, this is if someone in your team did, they earn 3% or 6%, just like you earn 3% or 6% of any business fundings you get. And plus, you get up to 50% of whatever you made based on your rank, whether you're a DAC 1, DAC 2, DAC 4, DAC RD, ND, RVP, etc. You can get extra bonus on your own personal commission, right? How do you make 6%? If you've gotten a new funding in the last 30 days of at least 6,000 or higher, that's called being amped up, right? If you're amped up, then you make 6% on all your fundings minimum, plus your 10, 15, 30%, etc. So as an example, if you or they go out and get a $100,000 funded value client, they got $100,000, that's large obviously, but if they got 100,000, they're either going to make 3,000 or you are going to make 3,000 or $6,000. If you're not amped up, you make 3,000. If you're amped up, you make 6. So you're making 6% as long as you got a client in the last 30 days. It's a consistency bonus. We call it amped up, right? Plus, if you're DAC 1, you get 10% more. So if you're a DAC 1, how? Because you got a client and at least 10,000 in the past, right? You'd make 6,000 plus 10% or 6,600. If you were a DAC 2, you'd make 6,000 plus 15% of your 6,000, or, well, what is that, $900, you'd make 6,900. If you're a DAC 4, because you've gotten 4 clients at 40,000 in funded value, you'd make 30% over and above whatever you made. So if you made 6,000 plus 30% of that's another 1,800. You made $7,800 on that 100,000 funding. So like 7.8%. So you're either making 3% or 6%. Well, guess what? If you enroll a team member, they're making 3 or 6, right? Plus they're making these overrides on themselves, right? Now what happens, you can earn on your portfolio of agencies, the people you've personally enrolled, and on your team, but I'm just talking about your personally enrolled agencies in this video. Your personally enrolled agencies, you can earn either 0%, 25, or 50% of whatever they've made in personal commissions, right? Now you don't get it on their bonuses. You either make it on their 3 or their 6%. So in this case, if I were the person in your team that got the client, let's say I'm a DAC 2 and I'm amped up, I made 6,000 plus 15% of that. I made $6,900. You would make 0, 25, or 50 on my 6,000. So you get it on the personal commission portion. The 3 or 6% is what you get your percentage on. All right, but you literally can make 50% of what I earned on my 6,000. You can make $3,000 on my 6. You can make 25% of that or 1,500 of my 6, or you make 0. What determines which level you make? You determine that, right? So if you're amped up, how? Because you've gotten a client in the last 30 days of at least 6,000 or higher, a new client, then you'll be amped up. Not only because you're amped up to earn more on your own personal clients, you're making 6 points, but you also now make 50% on any of your personally enrolled agents while you're amped up. So I could be the agent in your team. I make $6,000. I'm excited. Plus I get bonuses on my $6,000. You make 50% of my 6. You made $3,000 as I got a $100,000 client. How many of me do you want, right? But if you're not amped up and you're only engaged, you only make 25%. Are you engaged? Today, I got a new announcement with you, but today you're engaged during your first 60 days, or you've gotten 1 new client in the last 60 days. So let's say you're in your 10th month in business. As long as you got a client in the last 60 days, you're considered engaged. You'll make 25% of my $6,000. Or one $6,000 renewal. So this is 1 new client in the last 60. This is or 1 renewal of at least 6,000 funded value or higher in the last 60 days. Okay, so both of those engage you for 60. Or you've got 6 active customer finance clients. Those are the 4 ways to be engaged, which qualifies you for the 25%, right, of your personally enrolled agents. Okay, so 50% is because you're getting personal new clients yourself. You're amped up. You're positioning yourself to earn more on your personal clients and earn double on your personally enrolled agents clients, right? We call it earning double. And if they're engaged, they're making 6%, you're making 50 of their 6, you're making 3% of their funded, really, when you think about it, or 50% of whatever you help them earn, which is great. Now, this is presently. Now, how do you earn zero? You're not engaged. You haven't gotten a client. It's not during your first 60 days. You haven't gotten one new client in the last 60. You haven't gotten one renewal of 6,000 or higher in the last 60. And you don't have 6 customer finance. You would not be engaged. You'd earn zero, right? So what we've launched is a new way to get paid your 25%, all right? Now, this doesn't count overrides and all that, but your personally enrolled agents, to get that 25%, there's a new way. One, you got one new client in the last 12 months. So this is one new client in the last 12 months. All right, renewals don't count. You got to get a new client. Now, a renewal will qualify for 60 days, as you see here, but for one new client in the last 12 months, you will now qualify for your enroller bonus of 25 points. So if I got this client for 6,000, let's say you didn't have this, and you didn't have this, and you didn't have this, and didn't have this, but 11 months ago you got a new client. Well, you'd make the 25% then of what I make. See, we want you to earn on the people you personally enroll, at least the 25 points, but we also want you to generate revenue. We can't give you this bonus no matter what, even if you never generate revenue for the company, because when you recruit 100 people, it costs us money. They're all starting free. We got to support those 100 people, right? So we don't want you to just go recruit 700 people, right? Because we got to pay for all those people. We got to support all those people. We need people producing revenue. So you have to get clients to earn on those people. Right? You got to get clients because you're costing us money, frankly. Yeah, you're bringing potential for revenue, but some of those people never get clients and we're supporting them. So we want you to, it's required, all of us, everyone in the company has to get clients to get paid. So you can now get that 25% if you got one new client in the last 12 months. Congratulations. Or there's one other announcement. Any new agents you recruit between now and the end of 2022, so anyone you recruit September, October, November, and anyone you recruited backwards to May 23rd. So May 23rd and forward, half the year on. So just say, figure June 1st. You've already recruited them, so it doesn't change. We know we're counting this toward May 23rd. But anyone you've recruited since May 23rd or will recruit until the end of the year, you automatically get 25% on their first 2 fundings. Even if it's 4 years from now, they get a first funding. 25% you earn of whatever they earn in their personal commission, you get. So you're entitled for the enroller bonus, whatever that is. Currently, it's 25%. Obviously, if the pay plan changed in the future and the enroller bonus went up or down, whatever it is, you're entitled to get the enroller bonus for the first 2 deals they get if you recruit them between now. So if you have anyone you're thinking about introducing into this industry, now is the time to do it. Not only do you earn great income, but as you get them started for free with us, they've got this great Bank Breezy partnership with David Allen Capital where they can refer clients and the experts take over taking care of the clients, and they can earn 3 or 6%, and you earn 25% minimum on their first 2 clients. And if you've gotten a client in the last 12 months, then you're getting the 25% for the next year on anything they do no matter what, right? And if you get a new client of 6,000 or more in the last 30 days, you'd be amped up. Now you're making 50 points. See, our goal is for you to get one new client every month of 6,000 funded value or higher. If you do that every month, you stay amped up for life. And if you stay amped up for life, you make 6% minimum on your personal clients plus whatever percentage you're at on top of that, and you make 50% on any of your personally enrolled agents. Now keep in mind, you get these enroller bonuses on your team, but I'm not going to talk about that on this video. I just want you to know about this new announcement that says, if you've gotten a client in the last 12 months, you're now eligible to get the enroller bonus. And anyone new you recruit till the end of the year, their first 2 clients, whenever they get them, you're eligible for the enroller bonus. So get amped, stay amped, but if you're not, we got you covered. God bless you. Any questions, email support@davidallencapital.com or come on out to the next D.A.C. Friday Live where you can ask all your questions right there, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. God bless you all. Have a great day.